What's up guys, Datum-Tech in the house. And today, we're looking at a phone that might finally bring OnePlus back to the throne. Yep, the OnePlus 15. And trust me, this one might be the closest thing we've seen in years to the true flagship killer spirit. And there's one thing about this phone near the end of the video that honestly shocked me. Stick around. For the past few years, let's be real, OnePlus has been wandering. Not bad, just confused. They had the power, they had the hardware, but the identity? Gone. But the OnePlus 15 feels different. It feels focused, cleaned up, like someone finally walked into the design room and said, "Alright, let's get back to who we are." Oh, and yes, they officially skipped the number 14 because it's considered unlucky in Chinese culture. OnePlus said, "Nah, we're not risking it." The design is the first hint that OnePlus is trying again. A new squared-off camera module with softened corners. It looks modern, premium, and way more expensive than last gen. And the titanium frame? Bro, it's clean. It's cold. It feels like the kind of material you expect on a $1,200 phone. On the front, you're getting a 6.7-inch AMOLED, super sharp, with a crazy 165Hz refresh rate. This thing doesn't scroll. It glides. Gamers, animation lovers, anyone who wants that buttery smooth feel, this is your phone. OnePlus has always been the brand you go to for speed, and this screen just screams. We still got it. Inside, it's stacked. Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, 12 or 16 gigs of RAM, a brand new cooling system, and Oxygen OS, still one of the cleanest Android skins out there. But here's where it gets interesting. This year, OnePlus introduced something called the Detail Max engine, a new rendering engine that prioritizes clarity, dynamic contrast, and sharpness during high-motion scenes. Think gaming, fast scrolling, action shots, everything looks punchier. Now, camera time, and this part surprised me. OnePlus officially ended the Hasselblad partnership. They're flying solo. Usually that's a red flag, but this year, it might be the best thing they've done. You're getting 3 50-megapixel lenses, a main sensor, an ultra-wide, and a 3 telephoto zoom. But what changed the most is the processing. Colors look more natural, low light looks cleaner, and the new pipeline avoids that overly processed look from past models. Battery. This is where I actually said out loud, okay, chill OnePlus, because they went full savage mode. A 7,000 mAh battery, yes, in a flagship. 100W wired charging and 50W wireless. And even at 165Hz, this thing easily lasts a full day. That's wild. So here's my honest take. The OnePlus 15 feels like a comeback story. Not because it throws big numbers around, plenty of phones do that, but because it finally has personality again. It looks good. It runs insanely smooth. It has a camera system that doesn't pretend, it delivers. And the battery? That alone puts half the flagships on notice. If this is the direction OnePlus sticks with, the flagship killer era might actually be returning. This is Datum-Tech. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one.